Hey guys, I just want to show you this really cool motion sensor light that I just got off of Amazon about a week ago. And there's a couple features I really love about this light. Number one, the best feature of it is there's no wiring required to install this light. It's completely rechargeable. It's supposed to last 6 months per charge. It has a motion sensor in it that detects 22 feet away, and that's if you walk in front of it. It detects your motion, it turns on the light for 15 seconds, 225 lumens, so it lights up quite a decent amount of area around it. And the other really cool feature I love about it is it has a magnetic base on it. So when you want to recharge it, you just pull it off the base, bring it in the house, plug it into a standard USB charger, and the light is red when it's charging. I believe it turns green when it's charged. I can't remember when it charged. I'm pretty sure it was green though. But the magnetic base, you just have it with one screw mounted to the wall, and then you point it whatever direction you want, and it stays that position. Another really cool feature, say the power goes out, you know where this thing is outside, you just walk outside, grab it, pull it off the base, press the button. It has a manual on-off button. Now it's a flashlight. 5 amp hour battery. It lasts a long time. I left it on the other night just to test to see how long it ran for. I got up the next morning, it was still on. So I'm not sure how long it'll run for. I haven't been able to figure that one out yet, but it ran more than 8 hours, and pretty impressed with it. I'll have a link down below for it. If you want to buy one, they're like 24 bucks, and I can think of several uses for it that I'm going to have to try it out for, and I might have to get a couple more of them. But anyways, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I have more videos coming, and thanks for watching.